This is the Toyota Corolla KE30, a true classic that's seen better days. But instead of letting it fade away, we're bringing it back to life, one step at a time. From a tired engine that hasn't run in years to bodywork that's showing its age, this build is going to be a full restoration inside and out. We'll start by tearing down the engine, checking every component, and rebuilding it to run like new. Then we'll take care of the body, repairing the rust, straightening the panels, and eventually giving it a fresh paint job. We're also giving the suspension and brakes a complete overhaul to make sure it drives as well as it left. And the interior? That's getting a full restoration with some modern touches while keeping the car's classic vibe intact.
And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night?
So if you're into classic cars, restorations, or just love seeing a project come to life, follow along.